Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take out dust collector on your Proscenic M6 Pro. So in order to do this, we'll need to open the lift of our Proscenic. It's right here, it's this cover. Simply put your finger right here and then pull it open like that. Now in order to actually take out and access our dust collector, it's this thing right here. Simply put your finger here and push it up, and another finger here, then lift it to yourself and you'll be able to take it out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.